What's up, y'all? It's your girl Crystal Carter back with another video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I slayed, yes, slayed this hair color. I use 5 different colors and I use my ombre blending method. So let's get right into the video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be having a lot more tutorial videos like this. If you're a regular, hey boo. Anyway, so let's get into this video. So I used 5 different colors. I'm actually going to link these colors down in the description box so you could get this same slay, period. Okay, and right here I'm actually just going in and blending my first color, which is that rich amber, and I'm blending it out with the paprika. So I'm gonna let that ride out and I'll be back. So as you can see, I added my funky yellow right in the middle, and then I came back through on the ends with the rich amber and the paprika. I used a little bit of the French cognac as a blending tone between the yellow and the paprika. So right now I'm just going through all the layers and repeating the steps. Rich amber, then I got the funky yellow, then I got the French cognac, and then we coming back with the rich amber and the paprika. So here we go. Let's finish this out. Okay, so in this step, I had to have Bae come help hold it. My arms was tired. Your girl arms was burning, so I had to call Bae in to come hold it down. Okay, and he did what he had to do. He came and held it for me. Okay, so still repeating the steps, still adding my base color in, and I'm gonna finish it out. All right. Okay, I had to cut back in because look at Bae acting like he know what he doing or whatever. Making sure don't none of that color transfer. Okay. Ooh, and an arm massage. Cut it out, boy. You better stop. You better stop, Bae. Okay. Moving forward. Okay, I just wanted you to get into these details. You see, I'm no color on the lace. None. Period. Your girl got skills, okay? I'm using like an eyelash spoolie to apply the color to the front piece, the lace. And that way it makes it easier to make sure you don't get any of that color on the lace. So I'm going to use this all the way around at the roots, and then I'm going to finish applying my color with the regular brush. Get into it. Okay, so here I'm just going around and checking just to make sure that I have applied the color to the entire wig. I want to make sure I didn't miss any spots. So I'm just going back through and I'm adding any color to any spots that may have been missed when I, applied the color the first time. So I'm just blending it out. Blend, blend, blend. So here I'm just adding in some layers, making sure the ends are even, going around just adding a little bit of dimension and some volume by adding the layers around. And next I'm gonna curl her up and she gonna be slayed. Wait to the end. Make sure you watch to the end of the video so you can see the end result, because just wait. Okay, look at these curls. Period. Giving everything. Look how bouncy they are. Look at that shine. Period. Color is everything. Look at it. Bouncy. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm combing out the curls, and how do we like her? How do we like her? Period. Okay, killing them. She's giving real summer vibes, giving everything she's supposed to give. So make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. Make sure you share this video, and make sure you send me your comments below on how you feeling about this color. Let me know if you tried a color like this before. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.